A lot of people want to master English, but the real problem is they don't know where to start. Some people only focus on vocabulary, some spend years studying grammar, and some just watch English videos every single day. Yet they still can't speak confidently. So I decided to make learning English simple, practical, and well structured. Starting today, we'll begin an English learning journey through 3 different series. Every day you learn just 5 useful words and 5 practical sentences, the kind of English that you actually use in your real life. No complicated lessons, no unnecessary grammar rules, no wasted time. Just clear, practical, everyday English.